Hey all, Kyle here, AA0Z. I want to do a video. Jason's doing a video of all the things that he is bringing on our 9-state POTA Rove, which is starting tomorrow. So I want to do a video too, because I can't let him one-up me. I'm going to go over all the things that I'm going to take, and we're going to see, put your comments below if I'm bringing too much, if I'm not bringing the right stuff. But here's what we're bringing. We're going to try and do this all in one take. So in this bag right here is my KX3. I keep this in a military pouch, like a canteen pouch. And up top, I've got my CW key. It's wrapped up here in this terry cloth. And then the KX3, sorry for the mic bump, fits down in that pouch, so you can see. And then out here on the pouch out in front, I've got a whole bunch of things. You can barely see that because it's probably dark, but there is a power cord. There is a K6ARK microphone. There is 25 feet of RG316 coax. There is a CW holder. There are a bunch of connectors that I might need, and extra fuses, and headphones. So that is what is in this KX3 pouch. So I plan on operating QRP, mostly CW, probably going to break out the mic at some point, but mostly CW. So that is going to be my main driver, is my KX3. I'm going to run probably 10 to 15 watts. Then to get antennas up in the tree, I have my throw weight. So I've got just a Weaver throw weight that I purchased. And then I've got this very fine, like 2 millimeter throw cord, which is great. Thomas Witherspoon, K4SWL, turned me on to this. And I'll put a link in the description below to this throw weight and also this throw bag. So this collapses down. I put this in my luggage. So places that I can put an antenna up in a tree that's not like a state park or whatnot, I'm going to use that. Here is my Bioenno battery. It is a 4.5 amp hour, so it's 54 watts. I'm going to take that. That goes in my pack. And then I've got all of my goodies here of just miscellaneous antennas and things that I might need. So let's go over some of this. The highlights are the AX1 antenna, which is here. That is the Elecraft AX1. So that goes, that gets me on 40, 20, 17, and probably 15. And it's got a telescoping whip right here. I've got a, what is this? This is a 20, 30, 40 cut dipole. And that goes in line with this QRP guy's 49-to-1 that I built. So that is probably going to be used. What else do I have in here? I've got a whole bunch of just cables and doodads. I've got an extra CW key, which is the K6ARK CW key. Some line. This is more of that 2 millimeter throw line. I've got the counterpoises for the AX1. I've got this terminal BNC to banana plug if I need to pull out some random wires and just get on the air. I've got this RG316 with a choke. And I think that is about it in this pack. So this will get me on the air, get me 3 antenna choices, maybe 3 antenna choices. So that is what is in this pack. So, as backup, I am bringing my mountain topper. So this is a MTR4B that I'm bringing with the 3D printed case to make sure that it doesn't get scratched. Here is a elecraft T1 antenna tuner. So I'm bringing that just in case. I'm going to bring an extra speaker So this is a JBL speaker, and then I've got all of my little doodads that go with the mountain topper. I can even go to Walmart and grab some 9-volt batteries and use this, or use the 9-volt batteries for the power. So I've got another antenna here. This is the K6ARK random wire endfed, and then I've got some batteries. So that is basically what I'm going to bring, other than a carry-on and my clothes. That's the whole thing. So if you think that I nailed it with some QRP radios or QRP work, put comment below. Yeah, I probably will read these and not respond because I will probably be on a plane. But if you hear us on the air, AA0Z, KC5HWB, look for us on the POTA website, respot us. We're going to be roaming 9 states: Pennsylvania, New York, New Jersey, Connecticut, Rhode Island, Massachusetts, Vermont, New Hampshire, and Maine, Tuesday through Saturday of this week. So catch you on there, 73.